OpenAI has just launched a powerful new feature in ChatGPT. It's called Deep Research. It's designed to help users dig deep into complex topics. It can search the web and produce detailed, well-cited reports as well. This could be a game changer for people in finance, science, policy, and many other fields who spend hours gathering and analyzing information. So how does it work exactly? Unlike regular ChatGPT responses, Deep Research runs for 5 to 30 minutes or even more, browsing multiple sources and refining its findings as it goes. It even shows its research steps and sources in a sidebar, making it more transparent and reliable as well. So in the simplest of ways, let me tell you, ChatGPT at this point of time gives us responses in a matter of seconds. But now with this new feature, it will give responses between 5 to 30 minutes. So you can be rest assured that it's going to be completely thoroughly researched. Whether you're doing competitive analysis, market research, or looking up medical studies, this AI can take on-time consuming tasks and bring back clear, well-organized insights. It is powered by OpenAI's advanced O3 model, making it smarter at fact-checking and reasoning. Tests show that it performs better than previous AI models, handling large amounts of data efficiently. However, it is not perfect yet. It may still make errors, misinterpret information, or format reports incorrectly. Plus, it's expensive to run, so it's rolling out slowly. Right now, Deep Research is available for Pro and Plus users, but not yet in the UK, Switzerland, and some other areas. OpenAI plans to expand it to mobile apps and even private databases in the future. With Deep Research, AI is not just answering questions anymore. It's doing serious investigative work, bringing us closer to a world where AI acts like a real research assistant and soon like a real research expert. For more on-time updates and breaking news from the world of AI, don't forget to subscribe to AIM Media House. Think AI, think AIM.